Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make a poll on a Snapchat. So you just simply open the Snapchat on your Android device. So when it's open, you will click the blank of any photo. So I will click the blank photo. So when it's I clicked, so I will on the top right corner like this click to, and there in the second last option is poll. You have to click to the poll. So there is you can write any random. I will write randomly house it. So you when you if you want to change the symbol of thumbs up and thumbs down, you will click to the thumbs down and there are the stickers. You can choose anyone to replace it. So I will click to fire, so it will be replace of thumbs down. So I will again replace back. So this is how to make a poll on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.